Hey everyone, Technomet here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to end any call using the lock or the side button, or known as the power button, on your iPhone. You want to make sure these settings are turned on or off in order to end a call using that side button. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone, go to accessibility, and there's a button for side button right here. Now where it says press and hold to speak, you want to ensure that it's selected to either Siri or classic control, either of these two options. Now you don't want it to be on off, so whatever you want, that's fine. So make sure it's either or. And then after that, another thing you want to check in accessibility, it's going to be under touch here, and you want to look to see that where it says prevent lock to end call. Make sure this setting is turned off. It should already be turned off, but for some reason if you turn this on or updated this to be on, it will not prevent you, or basically will not allow you to end a call using that side button. So this setting needs to be turned off, and then the other button for the side button needs to either have Siri or classic control, and then you should be able to end any phone call using that power button or the side button. So that's how you do it. I hope this quick video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.